electrode negative will deposit more material quicker, so you'll get a little bit more of a crown or buildup with EN. Let's run them on all three.
We're not going to play no songs during this one here. We're not going to whip it. This is just straight drag. Be as steady as you can. Try not to fall asleep. Very quiet to run.
This is just coming right up off of there with the rod that I'm flicking it off there. So this one looks to be crowned up a little bit. It's got good color. Again, it's real soft running. This is not one that you want to do a bunch of manipulations. You're not going to gain anything by doing that. Matter of fact, you're going to make crappy welds if you do that. Because this slag is so dense, you take a chance of this slag running around in front of your pool, and that's where you'll trap slag. So this is one of those rods that we just kind of want to drag it and be as steady as we can. Change leads and do another bead at 100 amps. So that was EN. To me, it looked softer and quieter. Should be crowned up about the same, maybe just a skosh higher. Skosh, that's a welding term. Essentially, those two look the same. Again, as I was welding this, it sounded somewhat quieter. Now we'll run this alternating current and listen to it. I think with alternating current, I want to turn this up from 100 to about 115.
Got a little AC buzz working right here. Nice, soft, smooth arc. Little sparkle show going on, but those, that's the nature of AC, but those sparkles are small. They're not heavy, big spatters. There's a long arc. Don't do that.
So this is another good general purpose farm rod. Again, soft arc. You can make some beautiful welds with it. Sheet metal downhill, thin stuff on EN. If you had a machine that's alternating current only, this is another good choice of a rod. No reason to manipulate it on any polarity. You're not going to gain anything. EP, EN, alternating current, and I turned it up slightly. Soft, very pleasant type of an arc weld pool.